Hi, this is Kushali Kumar.
एंड दिस इज पार्थ समथान एंड यू वाचिंग अस ऑन जूम। अगर मैं किसी को पसंद करता हूँ तो वो मेरी होगी बस, और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है। और वो लड़की भी फिर वो हो ही जाती है। वंस ट्रेजेडी इज अदर्स कॉमेडी, दैट इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग। एंड हु विल सैक्रिफाइस, किसकी फाइनली घुड़चड़ी होगी इज द क्वेश्चन, मेरी या फिर बाबा की।
Ravina ma'am playing my mom. That itself, it took a lot of time for me that to sink in, and I enjoyed performing all the scenes with her. Every moment that I've spent on set is very special, very memorable.
उनकी लाइफ के ऊपर ही पिक्चर बन चुकी है, मतलब इससे और क्या आप बोल सकते हो। तो या he's an inspiration, he's fully an inspiration for me, and I'm sure for a lot of people out there.
हाय, दिस इज समीना शेख हियर ऑन जूम चैनल और मेरे साथ में आज है पार्थ और कुशाली एज दे गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट देयर अपकमिंग मूवी गुड चड़ी। सो जॉइन मी एज आई वेलकम बोथ ऑफ देम ऑन जूम।
थैंक यू।
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लवली टू हैव बोथ ऑफ यू। और मैंने देखा ट्रेलर काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है, बहुत ही कन्फ्यूजन भी चलने वाला है। पर ऐसे सिचुएशन में कभी आप फंसे हो? ऑफकोर्स नहीं फंस सकते हो जहाँ पर समझो कि मे बी
रोज होता है, रोज होता है हमारे साथ।
नहीं वैसे नहीं, पर ऑफकोर्स ऐसे सिचुएशन में तो नहीं फंस सकते। पर ऐसे सिचुएशन में जहाँ पे फॉर एग्जांपल पार्थ आप जिसे पसंद करते हो, शायद से आपके फ्रेंड भी या तो आपका कोई कजिन ब्रदर भी हो, वो भी पसंद करता हो।
ओहो नहीं, ऐसे मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है। और इनफैक्ट अगर मैं किसी को पसंद करता हूँ तो वो मेरी होगी बस, और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है। और वो लड़की भी फिर वो हो ही जाती है।
विशाली, व्हाट अबाउट यू? के
थैंकफुल, ऐसा मेरे साथ कभी नहीं हुआ एंड आई होप ऐसे कभी हो भी ना।
पर यहाँ पर एक ट्विस्ट है, द ट्विस्ट इसके मॉम डैड के चक्कर में कुछ और ही हो रहा है लिटरली। एंड ये ट्विस्ट तो कभी नहीं देखा हम लोगों ने, यू नो, ऑन बिग स्क्रीन ऑल्सो। एंड आई कुड सी देयर इज ह्यूमर, देयर इज अ डिफरेंट इमोशन, देयर इज, यू नो, पीपल क्राइंग ऑल्सो। हाउ वाज इट, यू नो, द एंटायर एक्सपीरियंस एंड पार्थ, दिस बीइंग योर डेब्यू?
Well, first of all, yes, thank you so much. And it's my debut, and I'm glad to be a part of such a family, जहाँ पर you're playing a son of Baba, Sanjay Dutt sir, and of course Aruna Irani, where she's playing your Dadi. So yeah, it's a fantastic family, and I'm glad to be honored to be playing characters and laughing with them, crying with them, and playing different set of emotions. And then I bump into Devika, where I happen to know that, of course, my father is in love with her mother, that is Ravina ma'am. So it's a whole complex situation family where with lot of twists and turns, and of course the situation itself is so funny that we don't need to crack jokes or something, we just need to be very normal. सिचुएशन ही हमारी ले रही है बेसिकली, तो हमारी लग रही है। वंस ट्रेजेडी इज अदर्स कॉमेडी, दैट इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग। एंड हु विल सैक्रिफाइस, किसकी फाइनली घुड़चड़ी होगी इज द क्वेश्चन, मेरी या फिर बाबा की।
आई हैव टू आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन कि क्या पार्थ एक अच्छे सेल्समैन है इन द मूवी? एटलीस्ट वाज ही एबल टू सेल ऑफ दोज बॉक्सेस टू यू?
I would say he's extremely funny in that scene. Firstly, I could not stop laughing जब वो scene हम shoot करने वाले थे। वो बहुत ही प्यारा scene है film का, and it's a very unique marketing job what he is into, and so am I in the film, and I'm hoping that everyone is going to enjoy that scene as much I enjoyed performing it. और बहुत ही hilarious है। He's a wonderful marketing person, and he's a super talented actor, and I had a great experience working with him.
चड्डियाँ बेचते बेचते मैंने अपना दिल भी बेच दिया।
But Parth, this is a long journey also for you, you know, from Southern India to, you know, coming to Bollywood. If you have to like recollect, yeah, तो सबसे लोगों को सावधान कर रहे थे, you know, it's like a Southern India story into humor, I must say that. But if you have to like recollect, you know, one of the best memory which you have had over the years, which you still like, you know, imbibe and keep it to yourself. It could be a project, it could be something in on the set.
There are many, in fact, and one that recalls I have fondest of memories is obviously Kaisi Ye Yaariyan, because I've worked on that for so many years. In fact, उसके 5 season आ चुके हैं, and it has been that sort of show where I could relate myself with the character, क्योंकि I was playing my age, and along with that, he's a whole wild, cranky, weird, impulsive guy. So that's what I got related to the character so much. But apart from that, every show or every film, the first film obviously, but my web show, whatever I've done has been a fond memory. और मेरी एक आदत है, मैं हर प्रोजेक्ट में से ना कि कुछ ना एक चीज़ ना अपने मेमोरी के तौर पे मैं ले उठाता हूँ, मतलब यू कैन से स्टील इट। तो मैं या तो एक जैकेट ले लूँगा, या तो एक कड़ा ले लूँगा, या तो एक कुछ भी वो जो कैरेक्टर का जो वो था, वो वट एवर ही यूज्ड टू वेयर, मैं वो रख लूँगा अपने पास, एक फॉन्डेस्ट मेमोरी की इन माई लाइफ, इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो आई प्लेड दिस कैरेक्टर.
Wow, that's a very good thing.
और किसी को पता नहीं है, प्रोडक्शन को किसी को नहीं पता.
पर अब पता चल गया है, अब पता चल चुका है. तो अगर सेट पे से कुछ गायब हुआ खुशहाली, you know who it is. But talking about Sanjay Dutt and Raveena Tandon, you know, they both are like brilliant actors, and after a long time again they have come together. The last we saw them maybe, you know, few
KGF.
years ago, KGF actually.
But that
yes.
too not together.
That too not together as such. You know, they have come for this, and you know, I recently also met Raveena, and she seems to be very excited because इसमें यानी stress hormone हमारा सबका कम होने वाला है thanks to the humor. How was it, you know, working with them?
It was wonderful, a great experience working with both of them. Firstly, I really admire them, and who would not want to share screen space with them? It is really a dream come true. And Raveena ma'am playing my mom, that itself, it took a lot of time for me that to sink in. And I enjoyed performing all the scenes with her. Every moment that I've spent on set is very special, very memorable, and it has some great and amazing dialogues. And I'm especially very fond of, you know, mother, and I share a very special bond with my mom. And then, you know, reviving that kind even on screen was a very special experience for me. And overall, and with Sanjay sir, I don't have unfortunately many scenes, only one scene and one song, but that would always remain very special. And I think this entire film is very close to my heart.
Sanjay Dutt like that is super cool, you know, and he doesn't think before, you know, saying something whatever he has to. How was it, you know, being his son in this one, and especially, you know, 90s के जो बच्चे उनको तो एक से एक memories होती है.
अरे of course, मतलब I remember when he came on the set, he had the longest conversations with Raveena ma'am, and of course with Aruna ji, because obviously they share their history of and they have the common people, common friends, everything, acquaintances. And we used to just enjoy and listen to their stories. They were hilarious. I wish I could say it. That would be giving out too much. फिर वो film नहीं रहेगी. But yes, apart from that, on a serious note, it was fantastic to work with him. He's one of those actors who's very, you said cool and very relaxed. It's not like he's insecure about anything, that another actor is there in the same space, or is he performing well, or is he performing better than me, or I'm not able to perform, whatever. He was outstanding. He was there once he spoke, and he spoke his lines as if matlab he's there in the industry since so long. He's just spoken effortlessly, so, and that was the most beautiful part of it. But apart from that, I learned so much from him, being such kind of a personality where he was so intimidating at the start because his aura is like that, his personality is like that. But when I met him and when we had conversations, he's completely opposite. He's very humble, very down to earth, very grounded, and very sweet. So maybe of course the kind of experiences that he had in his life is so much. It's such, मतलब उनकी life के ऊपर ही picture बन चुकी है. मतलब इससे और क्या आप बोल सकते हो. तो yeah, he's an inspiration. He's fully an inspiration for me, and I'm sure for a lot of people out there.
Did you both try the Gen Z millennial terming and tuning with you know, Raveena ma'am and Sanjay Dutt on the set?
Gen Z के तो generation के तो हम हैं नहीं. Okay. And
Very old school,
yeah,
actually.
very old school.
No, in fact, people don't want to be Gen Z generation.
Yeah, totally.
तो I don't think मतलब हमने कुछ ऐसा relatable कुछ ऐसा किया. Obviously we were so starstruck by
For
looking
me,
at
it
them.
was more of getting Jadoo Ki Jhappi from Sanjay sir. Yeah, I did manage to get. And he was pretty jealous
Oh,
of
I've
that.
danced with Raveena ma'am. I've danced with Raveena ma'am. Yeah. I remember we were dancing at one party, and like you're here and I'm dancing, and she just stood by, and she looks at me for like good 5 to 10 seconds, and she's like, I have done this before in my life. Whatever I'm dancing, the crazy one. And I'm like, yes, ma'am, I very much agree with you. I've seen that. God bless you, she said. So, yeah.
हाँ, वो ऐसे मतलब एक डायलॉग मिलता ही है, you know, हमने भी किया है बहुत कुछ. तुम लोग क्या समझते हो? But Aruna Irani, as we talk about her, 90s में we have seen her in movies, you know, especially with Govinda.
90s,
And 80s, yes. And you know, Govinda के साथ में भी कुछ एक, you know, there are some very fun movies. और even संजय के साथ में, संजय दत्त के साथ में, शी वॉज देयर अलॉन्ग विथ हर हिम इनफैक्ट, एंड उसमें भी उनके डायलॉग जैसे पास से वाले होते थे, और इसमें भी ट्रेलर में भी ये कि ऐसे करेगा तो यही होगा ना, उसको घोड़े पे चढ़ना एंड ऑल दैट. तो उनका कैसे था, बिकॉज वो बहुत सीरियस भी लगते, पर एट द सेम टाइम ऐसा लगता है कि उनका सार्काज्म काफ़ी है.
करेक्ट, वो बहुत ही हम्बल इंसान है, most sweetest दादी I would say, because working since 6 decades is not a joke. 6 decades मतलब people don't survive for that long, but she's been working and that too consistently with whole energy and dedication. और कहीं हमें to be honest एक किस्म का एक चूचा या कंप्लेन भी नहीं हमने सुनी, एंड दैट इज़ itself फॉर अस इट्स एन वी लुक फॉरवर्ड एंड दे इंस्पायर अस, वी एडमायर देम. That's how we want to be in our future, because that's the kind of respect that we want to gain from all kinds of people. So she is completely an inspiration, and she was very sweet. Every day I used to go touch her feet before starting up the scene and make sure that the scene goes right, and wherever she feels कि बेटा तेरे को जो लगता है अगर तू एको ऐसा करना है तो हम कर सकते हैं, मैं बोला नहीं आता आप जो कर रहे हो बिल्कुल सही, हम वैसे करते हैं. So it was very sweet, cooperative actor, I would say. I'm truly blessed to have her and of course Baba.
टू बोथ ऑफ यू, आप दोनों ने रिसेंटली ऐसे काम भी किए. यू हैव डन अ वेरी सीरियस रोल, प्रतीक गांधी's film, and even going by your work, Parth, you have done some grey shades also. This one is like a light heart, and it's humor. और humor को किसी को हंसाना is not that easy. In today's time, it's very difficult. People just switch off to some different channel. How tough was it, to get that humor, that element? Did you take inspiration from anyone, who could be
What I would say, our script is written beautifully. Our dialogues itself had those punches needed. क्योंकि जब ने नरेशन ही हुई थी ना, उसमें ही सब लोग हंस के पागल हो गए थे. तो that is already there in the film, and entirely I would say the situation itself is very hilarious. And plus मेरे लिए एक for this what I think is like, you have to just maintain that energy, that vibe of that whole you be relaxed, you have that fun thing within you. I think वो अपने आप energy travel होती है, और हमारे पूरे set पे vibe वो थी. He's always in a funny and a good mood, making everybody laugh. So which I think that really helped me a lot.
What about you? Like, did you take any inspiration from any characters, any actors you have seen in the past?
I feel then, since it's my first film and since obviously I have been into this field, I've played different characters, it was important for me not to take any sort of references, because obviously then people start comparing, which is obviously not right. And for me it was very important to take real characters. So fortunately enough, the writer of our film is actually a living Chirag. So how he speaks, how he talks, how he initiates conversations, of even how he flirts. Yeah, completely on the set, fully. So that was the living character for me. So I was like, ये करना है इसकी तरह. मैं जैसे उठना बैठना, तो मैंने दीपक के साथ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टाइम बिताया, and completely indulged myself into him, and that's how I played Chirag. So he was my reference point. Real characters.
Lastly, I have to ask this question to you, Parth, because you have been confessing something about being single and ready to welcome love in your life. So have you found love?
Yes, and I have, luckily, and you will get to see on 9th of August, Gurchari, and you will see.
Very smart, super smart.
So yes, please watch it. Who it'll be? Yeah.
What about you, Kushali? Like Gurchari, even I could see, but it's all about friendship. If there is someone, in your life you have found.
No, not yet. Still waiting. Still waiting.
This is how it is.
9th August.
But thank you to
Thank you
both
so
of
much.
you. Thank you so much for a lovely time.